He was found guilty in that joint trial, but the same jury wrote back that they were deadlocked about her guilt or innocence, read the Allen charge, and she was then released because of a mistrial. But years later, she was retried and found guilty, sentenced to life in prison without parole. The last one, though, Dr. William Husel. He was accused of multiple counts. His jury was deadlocked at one point. They were read the Allen charge. They couldn't decide between whether he was being merciful to his patients with the amount of drugs that he was giving them or if he was euthanizing them. But after that Allen charge, they came back with a not guilty on all of those counts against him. It was multiple patients that he was accused of killing. Michael Jaafar, it's possible this jury could come back with something other than we're still deadlocked.
I'm hoping they come back with guilty on the second and third charge. I don't
think
believe
you put it on mute.
No, I can. Can you hear me?
All right, go ahead, Michael.
Sorry. I hope they come back with a guilty on the second and third charge. I don't believe that the top charge has been proven beyond a reasonable doubt, the murder to believe it or not. But I don't think they will. That instruction was a cry for help. The note to the judge was actually a cry for help. The impolite version of the reading of that is there's a couple of people in this room that won't listen to reason. No matter what we tell them, no matter how much we reason with them, they're not going to do it. Please do whatever you can to convince them to listen to reason. That's how I read that. That's the impolite reading of that note. So because of that, when you have somebody that's that much of an obstinate type of factor in a jury room, I don't see them changing, right? This isn't the 12 Men movie, you know, where one person convinced the other 11. I hope they come back with guilty for the second and third charge. I think it has been proven beyond a any shadow of a doubt, not the murder too. But I don't think they will, Julia. I think we're looking at a hung jury. It really stinks that we're looking at that. I think we're looking at a hung jury before 4th of July.
Yeah, that's definitely what happens more often than not. Michael